A mysterious sound has been tormenting people in a small town in New Mexico, and no one knows where it comes from. For decades, residents of Taos have reported a deep, low-frequency hum, like the earth itself is groaning beneath their feet. Scientists tested, engineers searched, even the military investigated. But the source? Still a complete mystery. Some hear it as a faint vibration, almost like a heartbeat. Others say it's maddening, keeping them awake, driving them to the edge, as if the desert were whispering secrets only they can hear. Is it secret technology, hidden tunnels, or something far more unearthly? The sound comes and goes, choosing its victims at random. And once you hear it, silence is never the same again. The Taos hum, an unsolved riddle buried in the desert air.